Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Bluey and Godzilla mixed as one character. Okay, let's get started. Okay, let's go over how to draw Godzilla and Bluey as one character, okay? So, I'm going to go over here and I'm going to draw the curve of the nose. It's going to be more like Bluey. We're going to pull a line back, right? Obviously, you know, like there could be Bluey or Godzilla for the snout. I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna pull a line upward for the, and then the top of the head over here curved, and it's gonna go straight across top of the head. Curve down on this side. Gonna pull down. Let's go over here, the front. Downward over here. Curve back under here for underneath the mouth. Again, we're kind of following the framework of Bluey a little bit. Curve for the mouth, right? Open mouth. Down over here. And now we're going to go into a little bit of Godzilla. So sharp teeth right here. Right there. Sharp teeth on the bottom. Line in the back of the mouth. And curve. Okie dokie. Gonna go over here, the far end over here, pull down, curve underneath the bottom. Okay. Curve over here for an arm, right? Right over here, curve for an arm, but it's gonna be at the very end of it a little bit more of like a Godzilla arm. So it's gonna go boom, 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 right there, right? So the claws of like Godzilla that we're kind of drawing out. All right, okay, good stuff. Gonna follow this all the way down, pull down right here, and then at this point, well, you know what, I think I'm gonna draw the bottom of his, you know, at this point we're gonna start drawing more Godzilla-esque legs. So curve right here, that's a big change, right? That's not Bluey's body shape. Down over here, kind of a, you know, that zigzag for the end of the claws. Back over here, pull up. Curve over here, down. Out. Zigzag over here, up. So now you have two Godzilla-like legs, right? But we're obviously having the style of Bluey, the drawing style of Bluey, right? We're kind of merging these styles together. Don't forget to hit the like, by the way, if you do like this kind of stuff. I, you know, do these every single week, these kind of mixture videos. So if you like them, like I said, hit the like and it'll let me know. Okay, let's go over here now, and I'm going to draw the nostril. Let's be more Godzilla-like. We're not going to draw like a dog nose on there. Let's go to the eye. So curve, like line down, out over here, right there. We got a triangle eye for Godzilla. Make it look a little bit more lizard-like, more devious, right? Just like Bluey, you can see the far side eye over the snout, but you can see just the top of it. Out over here, down. Okay, so far so good. And right here, what we're going to do is draw the tail sticking out, like the lizard-like tail. So curve outward, go over here, curve outward over here, and there we go, right there, okay? Let's, you know, we're going to give him eyebrows, I think. I think that's going to look okay. Line over here for the eyebrow. Let's see. Line over here on this side for the eyebrow. Alright. Let's take care of the far side limb, which we haven't done. So line out, line out. Right there, we have that far side hand. So what's missing right now, right? There's a big thing missing, the spikes. One. Let's do another one over here. Keep going over here, and let's get a little bit bigger on the back, okay? So that's like a 3 spike. Let's Spike over here. Line over here, and then we're gonna go back down to one spike right there. Gonna go over here, line. That's gonna be for the color now, right? The underneath. And then try to make that a thinner line over here on this side. And then we can draw like lines across, right, for the snake belly area, like Godzilla has. Snake like here. It's probably one of my favorite mixtures, to be honest. Lastly, I'm going to draw a little bit of a thicker line on the outside of the character. Just a little bit of a thicker line gives it a contained look. Curving up. Curve over here. Line over here, just kind of, again, following the outer part. Kind of continuing along here. And there you go. All right. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Like I said, what would you call this character with Bluey and Godzilla? Like, please give me a name, and I'm going to pin it if you give me a good one, okay? Think of it. You can write a few of them, by the way. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's go to the next lesson. Stay with me, okay? Let's do another lesson. Let's do it. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.